Grumpykamp here, where your host is Grumpy. Today I'm looking at a small and early activity pub service that creates a bot that can create activity pub posts from RSS. Since I'm a bit of a masochist and since this is kind of a small little project, I'm doing things a little different today. Actually going to create this container with a little bash. Um, it's gonna be some shitty linear bash, but it'll get the job done. Let's just step through what this script does. I'm just gonna create a container Ubuntu 18.04 based. I'm gonna give that container about 5 seconds just to initialize and get an IP, that kind of stuff. Then I'm going to do the cursed straight pipe to bash Node.js 11 install. Gonna go ahead and install Node.js SQLite and then build essential. Then I'm gonna pull the Git for this project, the Rss-To-Activitypub, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the npm install. And then I just ended the script there at just going into the bash of the container. But I'm going to modify that now and go ahead and push a pre-made config that I've already set up, and also going to push the shell script for the cron job that updates the feeds. Alright, not much to this. We're just going to paste some lines here. LXC file push, file name, and then the container name, and then the path within there. Alright, let's see if our script works. Creating the bot. Update, installing Node.js. Hopefully this works without fail. Building. Huzzah. Huzzah. Alright, we are in the container now. We have RSS to activity pub. We should have update feeds and a config. Config is going to have the domain I'm going to use. I'm not going to declare the cert path because my host does the Let's Encrypt and Nginx config. And I'll show you my update feeds that we'll add a cron tab for. Um, Pretty basic there. There's probably a better way to do that, but I'm lazy, and that works. All it does is call node and the update feeds JavaScript. All right, let's create a cron tab. Vim, thank you. All right, going to say percent every minute, and we're going to execute root RSS to activity pub update feeds sh. Right? Yes. Wait, I did something wrong there, didn't I? Let's yeah, let's yeah, that should get. Alright, let's just make sure it runs real quick. Instruction says run node index.js. Yep, that looks good. I know what you're thinking. Hold on a damn minute. How are you going to manage that service? Well, something we should have done in the beginning is push at least some sort of manageable service file that can be managed by the cursed system D at least. Oops, I copied this off of something else. I need to make one change here. Root, because I'm lazy, I did not create a user specifically for the service. Maybe I should, but it's in the container. Fuck you. Alright, let's push that into the container. Whoops, forgot the word push. RS bot service to RS bot slash etsy slash system d slash system. Alright, get back into our container. And what do we need to do? What is the one thing that I always forget if you watch my other videos? That is the reload system control reload daemon. Is that the word? I can never remember this fucking command. Oh yes, system control reload. Wait, no, daemon reload. Okay, system control start RSS bot. Internal control FU RSS bot. Huzzah! System control enable RSS bot. Huzzah! Alright, quick test of the local port before we do the Let's Encrypt and Nginx stuff and make it live. Alright, let's see if we can fail at doing the certbot thingy-majiggy. Certbot, cert only. Option 2. Ignore how many accounts I have. It's neither here nor there. RSS bot camp.site. Input the web root var lib let's encrypt. Fail. Ah, damn it. I didn't restart Nginx. Is it gonna work this time? Yay! Alright. Now I just need to get rid of that comment and restart Nginx. Fuck! So for once I actually decided to show you the Nginx certbot config setup, and I forgot to hide Firefox so you could actually see me do that, but whatever. It's done now, and we have the site up and running. We should have the cron tab running that is going to update the feeds. Let's see if we can verify that. No, service doesn't do logs here. Blah, 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 blah. How do I? Yes. Log. This log. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to run. Alright, let's see if it works. Alright, click here to start. So all we have to do is put a feed in, decide what we want the username to be, and submit. It'll create the bot. Alright, got a example feed that updates every 30 seconds. We'll do test created. Got the user test at rssbotcamp.site. And we can look at it and see, hey, look, there's things there. And in a minute, we should have more. It's been a few minutes. Huzzah. Sweet. Alright. Let's try to follow it. Alright. Looks like I can hit follow. That worked. So it looks like there's a bug in the software where Pleroma is not gonna get the posts. Mastodon is. We'll see if we can help them along with that, but cool project regardless. Sort of success, I guess, as usual. Yep.